Hey guys, it's Alec and
Meh.
who's meh? Who's my Tekkit buddy? Who are you? What is your name?
Twinkie Hut Juniors.
There we go. I'm playing with Wait, did you say Twinkie?
I said Twinkie Hut Juniors. Like from SpongeBob.
I know.
I haven't seen that in a long time. Okay, yeah. Go
Okay,
on.
so sup guys? Yeah, the Tekkit series is back. We're gonna start playing it. And if you're wondering how me and him are playing, we're playing on a server I made. And the only way, this is what I'll do. The first person to comment their username and subscribe and like all my videos. I mean, not like all my videos, just like this video. Comment your name in the description. I'll message you and I'll add you to my server's whitelist. So
But if you're a crying, whining little bitch, kid, baby, 8-year-old piece of shit, don't even try.
yes. First thing I'll do is I'll like block you from my
I'll put you on the negative
no
white
list. The no list.
The naughty list. Oh wow, there's a dog on top of the volcano. I'm on fire.
Nice one there. How do you make fire? I've always wanted. Oh, if you guys wondering how I got this sheep, I mean this wall. What the hell? There's a cave inside the volcano.
Where are you?
I'm outside the volcano.
Okay, there's like everywhere ending to the volcano.
Okay, the side where it's like all flat randomly. Where I heard you fall. I heard something fall.
I never fell.
Well, something fell. It was a doggy.
Oh.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna like start up Tekkit series again, and it's probably not gonna be like so common like a day-to-day basis, cause we still have stuff to do, school, yada yada yada.
Fat ass name.
Huh?
I went. You were standing right under me. I went all around.
The hell are you? Oh, what's up? Don't be David. Oh, we have. If you're wondering who David is, he's our fat ass friend.
The jokester.
Yes, he's the freaking most annoying person
My
you
God,
have
I'll
ever
be
met.
sad if David's the first one to comment.
I wouldn't even let him on my server, man. He doesn't even know my YouTube channel, and I think I blocked him from Skype. Seriously, it was pissing me off.
Wow.
Okay.
Me, I'm cool. So what's that, sir?
Armon.
Yeah.
Armon.
Yes.
Take this cobblestone, make a pickaxe. I mean, axe.
What do I look like? What color do you?
Yeah, I'm chopping down trees too, so calm yourself.
Are you ready, motherfuckers?
Hey, how much you want to bet if we try to kill that that dog will die?
Watch me work my magic.
Hold up, let me make my pickaxe.
Shit.
Sit down, Scruffy.
You named it? It's not even yours.
Okay, glitch. Much. Damn,
okay, I think you're gonna like cut this part because we're just getting wood.
No, I'm gonna leave this part in because you kind.
No, fast forward it.
If I find out, I'll try to find out how to do that for later parts, later episodes. Since I'm still new with recording and
Yeah, we're
stuff.
still getting views on the first one. We somehow got 30.
Hold on. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end up showing you my YouTube page.
Don't show my name on Skype. They come rape me.
They could see it.
Alec.
Okay.
Don't rape me.
My channel. So, wow. 30
Okay,
views.
people, I do not live in Boston, Massachusetts.
Okay, so yes, we do have 30 views on a video. I'm very proud of you people.
I'm very proud of you people. Well,
Yes.
I'm very proud of like 15 of you people because the rest are friends, probably.
I don't know.
Okay, I have like a stack of wood.
Okay. Sheep!
No, I don't have a stack of wood. I have like 44.
Random. Whoa. More
More
sheep. I can make us beds. I can sleep with
Na 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 na. Fast and Furious #6, bitch.
Oh, if you guys don't know what Fast and Furious is, it's
I doubt they don't know what Fast and Furious is.
some people might not know. Who knows?
Then they're just like banned from seeing our YouTube channel.
Armon, spiders.
Go fucking kill them.
I don't have cobble.
I don't care.
Mom.
Mommy.
Armon, sleep.
Hey, look. I have 2 extra pieces of wood. Look what I do. Look.
What? I'll take it.
I call which bed is yours?
This one. No, that one.
Bed. Yeah.
Sleep.
Let me sleep in that one, or I'm gonna keep pumping you. Fine. No, I have an idea. There. Come on, the little fag.
Sleep, seriously, dude.
Well, I am.
Oh my god!
I'm sleeping good.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Yes.
Finally! Apple!
Fuck you! No! No! Okay, stop. Don't kill me.
Okay, don't come. Oh crap, Armon. Armon! Armon!
Watch how it explodes because you're hitting it. Double dip!
Spiders!
I was about to die. I'm like, double dip.
Hey, let's try to get some string. One more string and I can make a fishing pole.
Why am I getting wood? I've seen fucking wood.
Seriously, make some chests or make a house. Make a shack. Oh my god, are you serious? I just need one more freaking piece of string.
For a bow?
Yeah, no, for a fishing rod.
Why you fishing?
So I could get some food.
Why you fishing, dog? Why you fishing?
Why you... No.
Why be fish? Oh, your exploded.
God damn it.
You gotta be fucking my balls.
Oh, hell nah.
You gotta be sucking David's titty milfs.
What the hell?
Oh, fuck.
Where is that little fat choo-choo?
Where's that little Julian?
Okay, where did the creeper... Did it blow up my bed? Okay, good.
No, it wasn't even close. Oh, 2 skeletons and getting bones. Oh, yeah, 2 bones, 2 arrows, like a boss. Oh, 3 bones, like a bitch. Oh! Oh, skeleton spawner!
The hell?
The fuck? Under a volcano? This is like the luckiest.
Sweet!
This is like the luckiest tech you find, and you're hitting me. Let me go in.
Oh crap, behind us! Armon! Behind us!
Preaching! Hold up, I got this. No, don't, dog, don't. Just don't. Like, whoa.
I'm in. Saddles.
Bitches be like you crazy. I took everything, little fucker.
Armon, look at my hand. Hey, dude, just stop. I'm about to die.
Ah, shit. Okay,
Why is there a potato on this crafting table?
I'm just gonna kill some XP in here.
Or, no, that's bread. Why is there bread on this crafting
Oh,
table? What?
they dropped the bow.
What? Give me one.
I know they dropped one bow.
Oh, kill one and
It has
give it.
3 arrows. Get out of here.
Okay.
Get out of here, bro. Oh, shit. Stop. Stop.
Dude! One heart!
Oh, shit. Stop. Potatoes.
No!
Great. This bitch has iron. And he's not sharing. Oh, look at this faggot.
I was gonna give it.
You're a little dick. Here, you're getting 3. You're getting your wood. You're getting. Oh, you smelted iron too.
Yeah, I found it in this chest.
Okay, here, then have your unsmelted iron. Here's your saddle. This. Why am I dying?
Cause we're right next to a skeleton spawner, maybe.
Maybe. Hey, I just met you. This is.
Wait, what? I had bread.
Mother. So hero bride, maybe. What? Okay, get out of here. No! No! No!
Stop! I was joking.
This is free XP, you little dick.
Oh crap! I'm gonna die.
He kills you. He's coming after you. He just ditches me. Me, uncle.
Why you not die? Wait.
Alex, stop. I'm trying to wait. I'm waiting. Okay, you have to do something, bro. We're recording. I'm just gonna kill some XP.
Fine.
Why they not coming? Oh shit, my sword's here.
Okay, I'm gonna go mining.
Oh shit. Oh, okay. 4 out of 10. Thanks.
Let me make
Bruh.
stuff. Some stuff.
You go mining. I'm gonna kill some XP.
Oh my god! Shut up!
I'm not killing XP. I'm just gonna build us a house.
I'm taking the bread.
But. Oh, yeah, actually, I'm full health. You take it all you want.
I mean, I'm taking both pieces.
Alright. Okay, our house go. Okay, make yourself a little area. Yes! This is why me and Alec go crazy.
Focus.
Come on! Yes! Come on, Pepito. Alex, like tapping so hard I can hear it.
Yeah!
Okay, thanks. Have tool for a sword. I just kill you right now.
Calm yourself!
Give my arrow.
I don't have an arrow. Oh, that arrow. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bada boom, bada boom, bada bada da da da. Oh, what the hell?
What?
I made a screwdriver.
Wait, you made a screwdriver?
No, I didn't make it, but I did. So. His name is Shelton.
Shelton?
I don't know.
I'm on. Are you on crack? Or crack
I am
cocaine?
not on crack.
I'm on. Get on my level.
Get on my level. Battle of the sexes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, rave! Damn it!
Please! I'm taking the bow.
No, give my shit back.
Yeah, winner gets the bow. Dude, stop. Okay. Calm yourself.
Give my stuff. Give my stuff.
Shut up.
I'm gonna come at you.
There, now calm yourself. Oh my god, I'm on!
Okay, oh, this wood is mine, $100. Okay, here's shit. Mine, yours, yours, mine. No, I do not want that. Mine. Okay, get out of here.
Ooh, copper.
Get out of here, kid. Get out of here.
No. You build the house. I'm expecting a 5-story, 5-star hotel when I get
What
back.
the fuck do I look like?
A
Like,
woman?
whoa, like
You
chillax.
seriously look like a woman. Armand, you look like a woman. That's all I have to say.
Pretty woman walking down the street. Pretty woman.
Dude, don't make their ears go. I mean, ears go hurt dirt.
Oh,
Don't
this
make
is
their
gonna be
ears
the
go
weirdest
deaf.
house I've ever. This is gonna be the weirdest house I've ever built in my life.
Is it just gonna be 1 block long?
No, it's gonna be the shape of a penis.
Are you serious? Are you seriously gonna make a house like that?
No.
I actually want to see what it will be like.
Seriously?
Yeah, I do it.
No, make a store. Okay, fine. Should I make it?
Yeah.
I need more space though.
Chop down trees
No,
then.
no. I'll just make a storage room or whatever.
Make that storage room. Best idea ever.
Okay, shit.
Why are we doing that?
I don't know.
We're not gonna get any views. I'm only saying that because when I said it last time we got views.
3 years ago.
What?
What?
Dude, shut up!
What?
I'm trying to resist not singing that song.
Bow, whamma, bow. Okay.
Dude, I'm seriously about to go on Spotify and put that song.
Why? Oldest fucking gayest fucking song.
No, I'd actually really. Oh wait, it's not on Spotify.
Viewers.
Huh?
Watch how we lose like half the viewers.
No, you're gonna get raged at.
Hey, relax.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in
Hey,
my
I made
pocket.
all tree penis.
Huh?
This is all natural penis.
Are you serious?
It's all made of wood and saplings, bruh.
The hell?
But I'm gonna destroy it after because I need this wood.
Oh wow. Dude, we're in a freaking forest.
Whatever major fucker. You thought I was gonna say loser, huh?
What?
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 What? What? Why we like the
Oh yeah, we
being
gotta
the
talk about something.
what?
Women's rights. Alec.
They should not have any.
Oh, you little faggot. I think women should have rights cause.
You just want female viewers.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Dude, they're not gonna. I'm just gonna tell you, they're just not gonna. No.
Just Alec, just no.
No, just no.
Okay, I made some sort of a fucking penis.
How long is this? How long have we been recording? Good.
15 minutes long. 13.
Okay, so yeah, I think we're gonna wrap this episode up in like 5 minutes. Since I'm still not sure about how I'm gonna compress this. The hell! No TPing!
Oh, we're not allowed?
No.
Oh, okay, just look at dick and go back. Hey, look, it's sapling juice. It's all natural. Oh yeah, Alec, come at me. Yeah.
Oh my god, that almost hit me. What is this over here? Is this our actual house?
Yeah, I was just gonna build some random crap like that.
Well, I got like 22 iron, so not bad.
Oh, okay. Can you give me some iron? Can you like smelt me? I think.
Oh, I got 40 coal also.
And me, I'm cool.
Okay, so yeah, guys, that's been episode 1 of the Tekkit series. Us doing random crap, him building a penis house.
Us
making fun of David. If you don't know who David is, he's our fat ass friend that is very retarded. He's not really retarded, he's just very annoying. I think he's all that.
And I think he's all that cool.
Yes! Success!
What?
You'll see.
You finally grew some balls?
Oh hell nah, dog. You be tripping.
You'll be schwazzing.
Are you schwazzing me?
Are you schwazzing?
I'm trying to make fun of you.
Schwazzing. Whoa, dog. That's just like messed up schwazzing right there.
Are you serious?
I'm not getting hurt.
Okay, so yeah, guys, that'll be the end. This is gonna be the end of episode 1. Dude, oh god, I'm 1 heart. I'm half a heart. Kill him. Go into my happy tree. Go into my happy tree.
Where's the happy tree?
Right here. No! My crap! R1!
I just wanted the XP. Are you checking up?
No. Okay, well, so yeah, guys, that's the end of episode 1. See you next time. Bye.